Happy 180th National Day. May our country continue to grow in peace, happiness and unity. Wishing everyone pride and joy as we celebrate this special day.
On this auspicious 118th National Day, I speak on behalf of the youth with heart full of gratitude, and we offer our deepest reverence and thanks to the Dewanchu dynasty.
On this special day, we would like to extend our heartfelt wishes. His Majesty's unwavering dedication and support to the well-being of Bhutan and its people inspires us all. Under his wise and compassionate leadership, Bhutan has flourished, staying true to its values while progressing into a brighter future. Many years of prosperity. Tashibele.
I like to affirm that whatever I do in my life, I will do it for the benefit of my country and for the enduring peace and prosperity of the nations. I wish prosperity, unity, and progress for many more years to come.